Okay, it's Tricep Tuesday. Chest and triceps this morning. Got that knocked out. Did a good stretch and flex. Ended with the iso holds and of course the constant tension, iso tension for a good 30 count. And Tuesday, here we are. Last 2 days, I started traveling Sunday afternoon from Arizona, Lake Havasu at approximately 6 p.m. Did a 40-hour, roughly, I guess it was longer than that now. Went without sleep for about 40 hours. Flew in from Vegas, got to see the Super Bowl. Fireworks go off at the end of that. Second year in a row. Been to 2 Super Bowls, 1 mile away from each. Glendale and Vegas. And never seen a lick of football. Anyway, flew all night, straight to work in the morning, and finally slept last night about 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so about a 40-hour stretch there, and about a 40-hour fast. So just had my candy with my workout this morning, and about to have a protein drink and an Uncrustable for breakfast to break that fast. So, ooh, that kind of looks good. Anyway, hope you have a good Tricep Tuesday.